The CCI Histogram Indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Traders can also read this page to learn how the indicator works. From the Navigator section, we select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart to apply the indicator. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the settings and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, a histogram window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart for us. Just make sure to enable the Allow this port to be used option from the command section and then click the Confirm option. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, a histogram window will be displayed at the bottom of the chart. The CCI Histogram Indicator is an advanced and detailed version of the CCI indicator that, in addition to displaying CCI values, it displays positive trends in blue and negative trends in brown histogram color. It also displays the volatile areas in a red color, which are considered as non-trend areas. When the histogram is above the line level and is confirmed, it is blue. When it moves down the line, it waits for 6 candles. If the trend is confirmed, the histogram will turn from the trend mode changes to a downtrend mode, and the color of the histogram changes from green to brown. If the CCI histogram moves up from the characteristic level, if the trend is confirmed, and 6 bars are determined above the characteristic level, the histogram changes from green to blue, which means the start of the Saudi trend. In the Settings section, in the Input section, there are options for us. In the first section, you can select the Viewer settings, Theme settings, or the indicator's specific template, which has 3 modes: Light, Dark, and Custom. By selecting the Light option, a light template will be displayed on the chart. By selecting the Dark option, a dark template will be displayed on the chart. By selecting the Custom option, it will keep your personalized template and display only the indicator on the chart, which is in the default and light mode, the template that is displayed on my chart. In the next section, you can change the settings of the indicator. You can adjust the CCI period settings here, as well as the neutral trend settings, which serve as confirmation for trend stabilization. By default, this is set to 6 or 6 candles. Finally, you can change the number of candles for calculating and displaying the histogram in this section, which is also set to default. Here, I will select the dark template and then click the OK button. Focus on the audience. The heart is settled. Here I select the dark template and then click the OK button. Well, here my template has changed to a dark color. Here you see the histogram plotted on the chart, showing the Rwandan Sodi in blue, the Rwandan Nozoli in brown, and finally the Rwandan Shunsa in the color of the moving bars. Well, friends, we have reached the end of this indicator tutorial. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comment section.